So in this question, we are doing the first one. Okay, four monthly weighted moving average with the weights as 4:3:2:1. So for finding the weighted moving average, the first 4 month का छोड़ दो अभी पहले. First 4 month, we are starting from the 5th month onwards because it is 4 monthly weighted moving average. If it was 3 monthly weighted moving average, we would be starting from the 4th month. Now we are going to start from the 5th month. So 5th month के just पहले के demands देखो 150, 100, 200 and 200. So what is the weights? It is already given in the question that the weights are 4:3:2:1. So इसके पहले देखो 5th month के आंसर मिलने के लिए you have to do like this 150 into 4. यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में you can see that the largest being for the most recent value. Largest weight कौन सा है यहाँ पे? 4 is the largest weight and most recent value is 150. When you compare the 5th month, the most recent value is 150. So the most recent value will get the highest weight. So it will be like 4 into 150 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 200 plus 1 into 200 divided by 10. How did we get 10 now over here? Total of the weights. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That gives you the total of 10. Like that, you have to then find for the 6th month. अभी someone tell me 6th month का recent data कौन सा है? Recent demand कौन सा है? One of you tell me 6th month के लिए कैसे? What will be the formula for the 6th month? Yes, one of you please explain.
250.
250, very good. 250 into 4 plus 150 into 3 plus
100 into 2
plus
100 into 200.
1 into 200 divided by
Yes, ma'am.
divided by
10.
divided by 10. Like that you will get for the 6th month. Then you have to move to the 7th month. 7th month का recent data कौन सा आएगा? Again it is 250 only. 6th month का data है 250. So you have to do like this 250 into 4 plus 250 into 3 plus 150 into 2 plus 100 into 1 divided by 10. Then go to the next one. 8th month. Sorry, yeah, 8th month. If you see for the 8th month how it will be. Just recent data कौन सा है? 200. 200 into 4 plus 250 into 3 plus 250 into 2 plus 150 into 1. And then finally you will get the average for the 9th month. That is weighted moving average, where in the question itself the weights will be given and you have to just substitute the values. What you have to remember is the largest value or the largest weight will be for the most recent value. Now directly also you will get 9 month का answer. कैसे मिलेगा directly? Instead of finding all the earlier answers, directly कैसे मिलेगा? You can get the answer directly also. 9 month का कैसे मिलेगा? Previous data देखो 150 into 4 plus 200 into 3
into 200.
250 into 2 plus 250 into 1 divide by 10. Like that you will get directly you will get the answer for the 9 month. But एक एक करके solve करके जाएंगे तो it will be that solution should be
10.
the calculation should be seen there. That is why. Now that is for weighted moving average. Now just see the simple moving average. ये भी explain करती हूँ मैं. Simple moving average कैसे? It is very simple. यहाँ पे कुछ weights कुछ नहीं है. You have to find from this question. From the following information, calculate 3 period simple moving average for the 11th month. 11th month का आंसर मिलना है. Okay, how do we get it? 3 period moving average है. Last 3
year का लेना है.
Yes, last 3 का average निकालना है. That is 200 plus 190 plus 150 divided by 3. And then you will get the average, simple moving average for the 11th month. अगर ऐसा है, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ इट इज कैलकुलेट 4 पीरियड सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज, हाउ इट विल बी 4 पीरियड सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज? सेम थिंग,
लास्ट 4 ईयर का आएगा ना मैम?
last 4 years divided by 4. Last 4 years divided by 4 means previous 4 years divided by 4. That is 200 plus 190 plus 150 plus 170 divided by 4. This is about weighted moving average and simple moving average.